What's going on, guys? It is freezing in the garage, so if it sounds like I'm shaking, it is because I am. But I wanted to make a quick video here on the concealment shelf that I made a couple years ago. Just recently got inspired and made another one here. That one's open here. Unfinished. This one has a stain on it. But I'm going to show you the one on the wall here. So anyway, first up we have the decorative trim here that goes around the entire shelf there. That's halfway down on the top part of the wood there, and that's to hide the bottom lip of the crown molding here, as you can see on this one. So that hides this lip to where nobody would ever know that that's a concealment shelf. It just looks like a decorative floating shelf on your wall. So that's a cool feature there. It sits flush on your wall. Doesn't look like anything's going on really. If I close this one, you can see that there's just the slightest lip the slightest space rather that goes around the entire thing. I have two magnets, one in each of the candles. I just threw them in there. They're actually not strong enough, or as strong as I'd like rather, to open it. So I'm using this one. I only have one side of the shelf locked. I don't know if you could hear that, but it's actually unlocking one of the locking mechanisms in there. I don't have both of them locked just because it's freezing and it's hard to try and get both of them locked when your hands are so cold. But anyway, you can see there the locking mechanism. If I take the magnet away, it goes into the locking mode and then unlock whenever I put that back into proximity. And that just hits the lip on there on both of those. I have a motion sensor light here, which is also attached to a magnetic strip. So if you were to hear something at night, you could take this with you. And then on mine, I have 3 magnets there that are inlaid into the wood. And then I just cover them up with the flag. So if I had something magnetic that I wanted to put in here, I could do that. But yeah, that's the design. Again, this was my first one, so the prisms here, they don't sit flush. Some of the cuts on the corners there aren't as good as the one that I just did. A little bit of damage on there, but it's sitting pretty flush. It's kind of hard to cut crown molding perfectly, but I did pretty well on this one. Pretty happy with how it turned out. But anyway, if you guys want a tutorial on how to make these, I can definitely make one, but Grant Thompson at the King of Random, before he passed away, he actually made a video on this one. That's what I followed. And his video is probably would be better than one I made. But anyway, I will make a video if you guys want me to. And again, Grant Thompson at the King of Random, that's another YouTube channel. You can look him up and just type in the King of Random concealment shelf and that'll pop up. And you can check that out if you wanted to make one for yourself. I'm not sure if I'm going to sell these at this point. I might start selling them. I have to go to the store and get another set of supplies. And then kind of figure out how much I'd be selling them for. But it's a fun project. Keep your mind occupied. And probably good Christmas gift since Christmas is coming up. So anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And I'm going to go warm up. So thank you.